What we have here is a log hive, and 4 years ago, a swarm came to it, and it has not died out yet. And this has never been opened, it's never been treated, it's never been fed. Some people like to say these log hives are mite bombs because I don't treat them. Do you know why that's false? Because every time a beekeeper goes into his hive, when he cracks the lid, rummages around, replaces the lid, and then takes off, the bees have to go back and reset the environment and reseal the propolis break. That's a lot of work. And guess what they're not doing when they're doing that? They're not grooming. So when I leave these bees alone, they engage in grooming. So they detect mites, they groom them off each other, they'll go into cap cells, they'll take the varroa out, and they'll recap the cell. So if you leave them alone, that gives them more time to engage in hygiene behavior. That is a healthy hive. And the swarms that come out of this, primo swarms.